All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at some more phonics in English. So K, cat, cat. Yeah, K, cat, cat. K, kite, kite. Look at that, kite, kite. How cool is that? And duck, not do duck, 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 duck. Yeah, duck. And a mechanic, 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 not mechanic, mechanic, mechanic. There we are. Mechanic, not mechanic, mechanic. How cool is that? And oh, Q. Oh, there was a word here. Not that one. Definitely not that one. Q. That could be anything. Q. It'll be check. Check. Q-U-E. Check. So here we are. Q-U-E. Check. As in like money. Here we are. Check. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Okay, yeah. Check. Check. Yeah. Or even check. Check. Check on something. Check. C-K. Check again. C-K, yeah. C-K. Check. Not check. 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 Q-E. Check. Check. Cat. Kite. Duck. Mechanic. Check. Check. Just check something. Just check. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.